Welcome to Cybersecurity Central. In this video, we're uncovering spear phishing scams and how you can protect yourself from cyber threats. Let's dive in. Spear phishing is a targeted form of phishing attack where cybercriminals focus on a specific individual, organization, or business, using personalized information to craft convincing messages. Imagine receiving an email appearing to be from your boss, asking you to review an attached document urgently. It all seems legitimate, but upon opening the attachment, you unknowingly download malware, compromising your security. To protect yourself from spear phishing scams, consider these best practices. 1. Be cautious of unsolicited emails. 2. Verify the sender's identity. 3. Keep your computer's security software up to date. 4. Never share personal or financial information via email. 5. Enable two-factor authentication for your accounts. By staying vigilant and adopting these precautionary measures, you can significantly reduce the risk of falling victim to spear phishing scams. Stay safe and secure online. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cybersecurity tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.